Hi, so this video is going to show you how to download Google Drive for desktop. And you might be asking yourself, why do I need to download that? So in order to download Google Drive for desktop, and I feel like if you do download this, you're going to find it a great tool as a teacher to be more efficient in your workload. So I'm going to give you the link in our newsletter, but what you'll need to do when you get to this link is you're going to say download Drive for desktop. It will save Google Drive setup the executable file on your desktop, so just click save. You will see down here in the bottom left, I can double click on the .exe file, or wherever you saved it, it's going to look like this. Just double click. So it's asking, do you want to install Google Drive? You can add an application shortcut to your desktop. I would suggest that. If you feel like you can add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides separately, but I just uncheck that. Google Drive has been successfully installed. You can go ahead and click Sign in with Browser. And here you will choose not your personal account right now. You're going to choose your Trenton Schools Google account and log in. Then we will click Sign In. Success. You've signed into Google Drive. To continue, close this window and return to Google Drive. And then you'll see on the bottom right here, it says Google Drive is loading your files. You can click OK. Okay, so the next step is to open your Google Drive straight from your desktop. And you can do that here if you click on the folder Google Drive. And that will just open up here and you'll see My Drive. See everything in My Google Drive right here. You'll also notice here on the left, let me move this out so you can see it. You'll also notice here on the left now that you have a drive on your PC. In my case, it's the D drive. It may be a different letter for you, but it's my Google Drive. So you can save to your Google Drive directly on your PC.